To roll out your IT band, you're gonna grab a foam roller, make sure it's nice and hard, not a super soft one. Come down onto your right side or the side that was tight. Come down onto that bone of your hip on the side. Take that opposite leg, cross it over in front to help stabilize. You're gonna roll all the way right above your knee and back down. Try to make sure you're not rolling on the back of your leg. You wanna make sure you're on the lateral side of that leg. And it just feels so nice, said nobody ever. And then we'll switch sides. This is my more tight side, so this is definitely harder for me, and I would prefer not to do it. But the more you bend your knee, the more intense the foam rolling will be. And you tighten up that IT band as you flex your knee. So if we're straight, you're not gonna get it as much, although that doesn't feel great either. Do about 10 times or set a timer for 1 minute when you're doing this.